Hi, I'm Ken Saul. We're here at the Craftwork Training Center, and we'll be offering a new class on repairing decorative terracotta. So there's a lot of steps, several steps to go into repairing decorative terracotta. The prepping has to be done in such a way that it doesn't destroy the surrounding material. It has, I call it dentistry for stonework, because we use different types of tools to do that, and it has to be very focused. So we'll be repairing that, and we prep it, and then I'll be demonstrating how to do patterns and how to do overlays and the buildup of the material, then sculpting the material using sculpting tools of various configurations, and we'll enjoy seeing a seamless repair all the way through.